Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh, and this is the top 9 news from the world of technology. First up, Google and Apple ask app developers to remove location tracking technology within 2 weeks. Yes, according to a report from the Wall Street Journal, Apple and Google are now reportedly asking app developers to remove the X mode location tracking system from their particular applications. And Google is now giving developers a week's time with an option to extend the removal period for up to 30 days. And Apple, on the other hand, is giving up to 2 weeks for developers to remove the code from their applications. And the failure to do so will result in these applications and these regulators removing these particular applications from their respective platforms. Next up, Samsung Galaxy M12 reportedly gets certified in India. Yes, if reports are to be believed, Samsung Galaxy M12 is said to have been certified from the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is a BIS, and also it has been listed on benchmark portal Geekbench. Now, the listing indicates that the smartphone could be powered by Exynos 850 SoC, and the Galaxy M12 is also likely to succeed Galaxy M11, which was launched in March with entry-level specifications. So how will this phone feature? Well, this phone is rumored to have a 6.7-inch display and a massive 7000 mAh battery. The phone is expected to launch in early 2021. Meanwhile, iOS 14 users report problems with receiving text and WhatsApp notifications. Yes, iPhone users on iOS 14 or later are complaining about not getting notifications for texts, messages, and even WhatsApp messages in some cases. Now, the problem doesn't seem to be with a single application or a particular generation of iPhone models. Now, the complaint is across various applications, and also the complaints posted by the affected users on online platforms include the Apple community forums, and they are basically suggesting that the notification issues are impacting almost all of iPhone models compatible with iOS 14. Nokia PureBook X14 laptop with Intel i5 processor teased on Flipkart. Yes, as per reports, Nokia PureBook X14 will soon launch in India, and this will be the first of the PureBook series in India. Now, the website also shows that there is one variant of Nokia PureBook X14 that will be powered by an Intel i5 processor, and also it will include Dolby Atmos and also supported by Dolby Vision technologies. Now, the laptop is also touted to the laptop is also touted to have ultralight build that weighs 1.1 kilogram, US 3.0, and HDMI ports are also clearly visible in the image of the Nokia laptop that has been put out. Alexa, to become more interactive, will ask you to explain phrases it has never heard before. Yes, tech giant Amazon has said that after years of research, its Alexa voice assistant can now figure out the meaning of requests it has never heard before. Now, the upgrade, which the company calls interactive tech, on interactive teaching, in fact, could represent a significant advance in the way AI-powered voice assistants work and also interpret the messages that are sent out. For example, if a user asks now Alexa to set the light to reading mode and the device hasn't heard that phrase before, it will ask what it means, and then if the user says it means to set the light at 50% brightness, Alexa will do it and also will remember it for the next time. Oppo Reno 5 5G and Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphones launch. Oppo has launched its latest smartphones in China, and these will feature various new technology that the company has to offer, and also they have teased Oppo Reno 5 Pro plus 5G, also showing its design and some of its key features. Now, Reno 5 5G starts at approximately 30,400 rupees for the base model, and 5 Pro 5G starts at rupees 38,200 for the base model. Now, it also comes in the same color options as the Reno 5, which is already available in the market. Now, Reno 5 5G features 6.4-inch full HD plus OLED display with 90 Hz refresh rates. It is powered by Snapdragon 765 chipset, and also the smartphone comes in two variants, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. And also on the software front, Oppo Reno 5 5G will run on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 on top. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag Bluetooth Tracker details surface. Yes, Samsung has been working on a smart object tracker dubbed the Galaxy Smart Tag. Now, information about this particular model, which has been called EIT5300 as its official model name, has been flooding the internet over the past few weeks. Now, Galaxy Smart Tag looks to be a thin device powered by a single replaceable 3VC32023 button cell, and also as per Samsung's own description, now this will be a smart tag which will have a button to find phone and also make noise in case you want to track a particular object. OnePlus 9 makes an early appearance in new photo leaks. Now, the images obtained and published by Phone Arena show that this will be a flat 6.55-inch smartphone with a punch hole camera in the front, and around the back it will have a triple rear camera lens as well on the left side corner. Now, according to sources speaking to various media publications, the display on the OnePlus 9 is going to come with 2400 into 1080p pixel resolution and also support 120 Hz refresh rate at which it had supported on OnePlus 8T as well. Meizu watch to pack a 420 mAh battery. Now, Meizu teased a new smartwatch back in June, but we haven't really heard too much about this particular smartwatch ever since then. And now we hear that the smartwatch will pack a battery with a rated capacity of 420 mAh. In fact, Meizu is even expected to announce the smartwatch by the end of this month. And chances are that we'll see the Chinese smartwatch in the market very soon, probably early next year as well. So that would be another very classy addition to this particular segment as well. So do let us know what you guys think about this compilation of top 9 tech stories from around the world, and also leave behind your comments in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.